Ever wondered how people create those perfectly designed posts with eye-catching text on Canva? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can add or edit text in Canva. It's super simple, and by the end, you'll be able to do it like a pro. So let's jump right in. First, open your Canva design. If you already have text on your project, just click on the text box you want to change. Once selected, double-click inside the box. This lets you edit the text directly. You can type in anything you want, whether it's a quote, a heading, or a quick caption. Now, if you want to add new text, look to the left panel and click on the text tab. Text tab. Canva gives you three main options: add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text. Click on the one that fits your design best, and a new text box will appear right on your canvas. You can drag it, resize it, or rotate it to fit perfectly into your layout. Next, let's make that text look amazing. With your text selected, head up to the top toolbar. This is where the magic happens. You can change the font style, adjust the size, and pick a color that matches your theme. Canva also offers text effects like shadows, outlines, neon glows, and even animations for videos and social media posts. Don't be afraid to experiment. Canva's strength lies in how easy it is to customize. You can mix fonts, play with spacing, and instantly see what works best for your design. And just like that, you've learned how to add and edit text in Canva. It's quick, creative, and incredibly beginner friendly. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep exploring Canva's features. There's always something new to discover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.